Hi guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I wanted to share with you guys 5 things that I find myself using the most in my craft room recently, and I know I'll be using next year. So real quick, number 1, this wonderful tape. I learned about this from Jennifer McGuire. I got it on Amazon. It is the tape that is low tack that they use to help kids when they learn how to read, and you highlight it. This is amazing. This has made my die cutting adventure so much better. Definitely recommend that. A lot cheaper than mint tape, and it goes a long way. So that is number 1. Number 2, this is not new to some of you, but it's new to me. I love my Sidekick. I hate that I took so long to buy it. I regret that I didn't buy it a long time ago. This has a tiny, tiny little footprint in my workspace to do these small cuts. I absolutely love this. Highly recommend getting it. Good price point. I think I paid about $35 or $36 for mine, and I'm using it so much. The only thing I don't like is that I didn't buy it sooner. So that was 2. Number 3 are these little jars. You can get this when you get, mine's water stained, when you get yogurt. I got this from Costco for tiramisu. That was delicious. But anyway, these work great to keep some water if you're watercoloring in your craft room. If you don't like to have glass in your craft room because you got kiddos, kitties, whatever it is, these little caps from your Tide soap, these work great too. And then you can pour it out. It's got a little pour thing if you want to do some pour techniques. Definitely, I'm finding myself using those a lot too. And then the next one is this little sucker. So I forgot I even had this little guy, and I'm using it more and more and more. It is just a really tiny little Fiskars guillotine that I've had forever, and it works great. I love my Tim Holtz one, but again, that takes up a lot of space, and sometimes I don't have a lot of space, and I just need a little cut. This works great. So that is, I highly recommend this one too. I'm sure Fiskars still has it. Mine is very old, but I also like that it has 16th measurements. It goes by the 16th. Sometimes we need that. So there's that one. And then the last one is a simple 8.5 by 11 sheet of laminated paper. This is my palette for when I want to put ink, to paste, anything, paint, whatever you want. And this will just wipe right off. I absolutely love having this. The only thing that I think I'm going to change is I'm going to make one that's a little bit smaller because this takes up a big space. Sometimes I just need a little bit just to do some splatters. So maybe just do like a small one and laminate it. And then that is your palette on your workstation. So those are the 5 things that I find are the most helpful to have like at my immediate disposal on my desk when I'm doing the normal things that I do. I hope this helps you guys, and let me know what you think in the comments. Are you using the same things? What do you think? Is one a genius idea? Let me know. Thanks guys, more to come.